It's been a really long time since I sat down in front of the camera, so for some reason I'm feeling so nervous, but hey again guys, we're back in real time. I'm still going to be posting all of the travel videos that I've been promising you guys. I just want to make sure that we're kind of up to date with each other because I feel like we haven't had the opportunity to just talk back and forth in real time like we used to. So that's what this is. We haven't done it since Vlogmas. April's coming up and I usually vlog every day up until my birthday in April, but I don't think I'm gonna do that this year. I just get too burnt out and I want to be more consistent on YouTube. So that's basically why, if we want to talk about it later, we can. If you really want me to vlog, we can figure out something, like some kind of daily posting somewhere during April, but I definitely don't think I can do full Vlogmas style April this year. If this is your first time here, my name is Kariel. I split my time between the Virgin Islands and Trinidad. I'm currently in Trinidad. I've been here since November. It's March 31st. April is coming up. I've been doing a lot of traveling in the past few months. So the point of this video is to get myself back on track and to do the things that I used to do before that helped me to stay on track. So hopefully this video will help you guys to get yourselves on track or get back on track. Or if you just want to know how I organize my life, I'm about to show you. I use Notion to organize every single thing about my life, including business and my personal life. I might touch on some things in this video, but I'm going to do a whole separate video with a life update. I'm going to do another video with my budget for April because I used to do these budget with me videos and those also really helped me to stay on track. I'm just going to go through this. We'll see what we touch on, and if I don't touch on anything in here, leave me comments, ask me questions down below, and I will get to them when I make those other videos. Anyway, yeah, these videos definitely help me, so I hope that they help you, and let's just get started. I'm going to do a whole screen recording. This is going to be a different format from what I usually do or how I've done it in the past, but I hope that you guys like it, and let me know what you think about it in the comments. This is my Notion page. If you don't know what Notion is, it's like an online planner. You can customize it however you want. I'm actually editing off of a template. I changed up the template a lot since I got it, and there's a lot of things that I would like to change about it. I'm not going to be doing a full redesign today, but I'm just going to show you guys what we've been working with. This is my dashboard. Up here I have today deserves your best, which has been there for forever. It's one of my favorite affirmations. I just love the first thing you wake up and you see today deserves your best, and you're just like, all right, I guess it really does. I really should put as much into today as I possibly could, and hopefully the day will reward you and give you the best. I have this picture here. It says it's time to start living the life you've imagined. This is something that I put here at the beginning of last year, and then I just had, it's kind of like a vision board too, I guess, on this page, because I have just a chill little snack time on the beach, and just flowers, just calm vibes. That's all I really wanted for 2022. We're in 2023. I haven't gone through my resolutions. March really felt like the beginning of this year for me, so that's why we're getting things together now. I think in April I'm actually going to put together some full-on goals for the new year, but we'll see what we can get done in today's video. Under this daily habits section, I have my journal. I don't really use this as much anymore, but I did use this as my journal for a while, and it was really helpful because I really have my laptop everywhere with me, and especially while I was traveling, I didn't want to leave my actual journal somewhere by mistake. That was just a huge fear of mine. Things don't really disappear from online, so probably not the best idea either, but either way, kept my journal on here. I have a workout calendar here, but to be honest, I've never really used that, so I think I'm just going to delete that while we are here. Under plans and work, I don't know why it's called this actually. I don't really use this section as much. Notes, that section is for anything that I'm kind of interested in. Should I open it? Let's see what we have in here. So we have Pinterest, because I was just interested in learning a lot more about Pinterest and their algorithm, and possibly adding that to my social media skill set. IG strategy, just some little notes in there about those things. Option trading, I got very into that during the pandemic, and I haven't really been that into it since. I would like to, if I could put aside time to. Rotary Entrepreneurship series. I went to this series for a couple weeks in a row on entrepreneurship. They have different speakers, and I just have notes from that in here. I don't know why I have life here. this was me trying to figure out how much for this type of birth control, which I never ended up getting. So yeah, that's what's in my notes section. I guess this is turning into kind of a Notion tour. Hopefully you guys like this. I love watching Notion tour videos and just watching people get their lives together. It inspires me to get my life together, and I watch a whole bunch of them in a row, and that's why I decided that I needed to do this video and I need to get it up before we actually get into April. So this is just like a whole list of like things that I possibly would like to buy for YouTube or content creation in general. I'm not going to go into that one. 2022 monthly income. I don't use this anymore either because I have like a whole like financial app that I use to track all of my income, my expenses and everything. But when I just started working for myself, it was really nice to see how things kind of progressed monthly by using this tracker. But I'm not going to use that anymore. Should I just delete it? Actually, I don't know, I'm deleting things. I just need to move them over to the archive, where that's pretty much where I leave things that I don't really use anymore, but maybe one day I'd like to look back on it. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit. See what I mean? Like, it's been a few months and I haven't even changed my 2023 resolutions. Now we can go through this list and I will show you guys. We'll talk about what my goals were for last year. I wanted, by the end of 2023, to be making $10,000 a month by the end of the year. That did not happen. I think I had a few really good months, and so I thought that 10K was possible. I still think it's possible, but a lot of things were happening and I wasn't as like dedicated to like finding new clients. I was pretty like comfortable with the clients that I had. I did not actually put any effort towards meeting this goal, and that's okay. Sometimes other things become more of a priority. I wanted to get 3 YouTube sponsorships this year. This was also something that I kind of put on the back burner. I was making a lot more content. I did a lot of recording. I did not edit a lot. I'm catching up on all that now, you guys know. So yeah, that's something that I definitely want to put more time into this year. I think I'm going to leave that goal up there. So let me delete this first one. Let's make 5K plus monthly by the end of the year. And then I want to leave the 3 paid YouTube sponsorships, but I'm gonna put this as this quarter. So I have until June. Yeah, right? Yeah, I have until June to secure 3 YouTube sponsorships. I don't even know if I'll just leave it as YouTube. I might make it just like sponsorships in general so I can use any of my social media platforms or all of them. So if you want to sponsor me, please contact me. On YouTube, I had a YouTube goal here. I wanted to hit 2,000 subscribers and I wanted to be monetized. I did not hit that goal. Let's see what we are currently on YouTube. Let's see what the current number of subscribers are. So I'm at 1,312. I'm gonna make this goal 3,000 subscribers by the end of the year and monetize. I'm still not monetized on YouTube. I still need a lot of watch hours. If you guys want to be supportive and help me to reach that goal, all you have to do is play my videos. Just start a playlist, let it play in the background. Instagram, I wanted to hit 1,000 followers. That happened. Do I want to add a new Instagram goal? I have been posting a lot more content on there. Actually, let's do it. Let's try to hit 2,000 by the end of the year. 2,000 subscribers. And for this fitness one, I just want to be consistent. I had like specific numbers in here, and I know you're supposed to be specific with goals, but at this point, as long as I'm making it to the gym or like working out every week, that's all I really want. So work out consistently. And just because I put things in here now doesn't mean that they can't change at some point later on. I also had like this little wish list section here because this was something that I definitely like, something from my YouTube wish list document that I showed you guys, or I didn't actually show you guys, but that I have up here, the ones that I wanted to get accomplished this year. I have a second monitor here in Trinidad, but I don't at home, so I technically did not get this one done, but I'm gonna take this off because it's not really a priority right now. And then this one where I said that I don't know how I skipped over this, but I said I wanted to get 2 new clients in the first quarter and 1 every quarter after. I technically didn't do it in the quarters, but I did hit the client numbers that I wanted to hit, so checking that one off. But yeah, I'm also gonna delete that one. So those are, I guess, the 2023 goals, the 2023 resolutions for now. Now we can look at this goals section. Clearly I haven't changed this since, but these are now going to be my goals for April. Accountability group, I did that in December. I was very happy that I got that done. It didn't work out the way that I thought that it would. I still want to continue the accountability group, but I think the way that I accept people into the accountability group is going to be different. And I know that I had some people who were interested in it, but I think for now I'm going to keep it closed to the people that are currently in the group. It's okay. I'll still keep you guys updated. We're still keeping each other accountable through these videos. So yeah, I'm going to take that off because we did that. Signed a new client. Listen to 2 podcasts a week. Motivational or educational ones. Finish reading book. I'm so sad that I left. You guys are gonna see because I'm gonna start posting the videos from like St. Croix this week, and you're gonna see the book that I was reading. I was very, very into that book, but then I left it when I left St. Thomas, and I feel so sad that I left it because it was a really good book and I didn't get to finish it. So I did not finish reading the book, but I currently do not have any books here that I would like to read, so I'm just gonna remove this. Post at least 2 times a week on personal socials. I guess I can leave that. I'm not really on a schedule right now, but I do have a lot of stuff that I need to post, especially on Instagram and on YouTube, so I'm gonna leave that. But I'm definitely going to try to post at least twice a week on YouTube from now. Work on ebook. I have an ebook that I'm working on, guys. I have so many other things that I'm working on in April, but I think I can make some time for this month. Finance goals. I don't know why I have that there. This last section on here is called clients and projects. These are people that I want to reach out to and send proposals to. I have this little drop down with my current clients, but basically what I do is I have like a separate page for each of my clients, and then if we have any meetings, I document all of our meeting notes in there. If I have any projects that I'm working on, I have like our project trackers in there, so I keep myself pretty organized when it comes to my clients and on track when it comes to my clients. It's just my stuff that I kind of lose touch with a little bit. Other projects I've been working on, like I said, I had the accountability group. This was me planning it out. Granger digital website. I'm currently redoing my website, so this is just like all of the copy and just like planning for the website in general. Movie night event. I'm working on I guess it's not my event, but I'm working with someone. I guess it'll be like my first event in Trinidad that I'm working on, but it's not technically my event. That's where I'm planning that. And this section is content planning. The theme for last year was inspiration, freedom, and rest. I can't say I've put any thought into what I want the theme to be for this year, but you guys know that my whole theme of last year was why not now? Go, you're free, do what you want to do, rest as much as you can because you have the opportunity to do it. Feeling inspired, doing the things that make me feel inspired, and hopefully also inspiring others to do the same. YouTube video ideas. I have like a whole list of ideas here. This is a quote that I took from Intelligent Change. If you want to read it, you can pause it. I was going to read it to you. Maybe let me read it to you. I really like this quote, or like this graphic. Wake up. Today's your day. Unleash your full potential. Turn your dream into reality. Envision it. Take action. Live it. Take full responsibility. This is your life. Live with purpose and intention. Be solution oriented. Choose gratitude. Smile. Have fun. Inspire yourself. Deliver value to others. This is really long. Open your mind and embark on a journey. Make new memories. Save your life. Live the Dolce Vita. Thank yesterday. Love today. Create tomorrow. Become everything you are capable of becoming. Be part of Intelligent Change. So it was from Intelligent Change. They have like little affirmation cards, and I wanted the affirmation cards, but I didn't get them. But I was on their website and I saw this and I liked this, so it's on my little vision board Notion planner thing. But I kept like track of what my subscriber count and watch hours were on YouTube. I haven't been keeping up with it, but there's really no point in me doing this on here, so I'm just gonna move this over to the archive. I have Instagram caption ideas. I don't really use that much anymore. And important links, which is basically stuff like related to my business, like my website links, my QR code that leads to my website, my business card, like my online business card. Okay, this section, this is my bread and butter. This is what I come on Notion and update every day. This is my to-do list. Right now I have a few things in here. I need to add some more stuff on here. So I recently actually changed this section. I used to just have like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then I would have like a little check boxes so I could check things off, and then I would manually move them into this calendar, which was my task archive. So as you can see, March is looking kind of empty, but I did a lot of work in March, and what I found is that I was checking off stuff up here, but sometimes I would miss things. Then I have to figure out like where I did it on the calendar, or like I didn't actually, or like I just checked it off and like erased it and didn't put it on the calendar. So like I did a lot more than this obviously in March. Like I've been working like every single day, but it's not actually documented. So this new to-do list does all of that for me. So I can actually move this task archive to the archive and delete this section. I have a section where I put what the task is. I have the due date, not the due date, and I stole that from somebody else's video where I was watching like how to set up to-do lists in the best way on Notion, because just like it's the day that you do it, takes a little bit pressure off. Anyway, it's set up to give me relative dates, so it'll tell me like today, tomorrow, this Friday, next Friday, or if it's like far off, it'll tell me the actual date. And I really like this. It's just a lot easier to keep track of. Then I put in this formula here for the day and time completed, so that anytime I check something off here, it'll automatically put in the day and time that it was completed, and it'll disappear like this. Wait, let me show you. See, it's gone. But what I do have to do is I need to make a separate section where it'll say recently completed, so I'll be able to see the date and time that I actually completed those tasks, and that will become the new task archive, so I know exactly when I completed certain tasks. Right now I have work on website that I was supposed to do today, and I did not do that today, so I'm gonna move that to Monday. Is like Easter or something, so I'm gonna move that to like next Tuesday, because I'm not doing that today. It's already 6:15 p.m. Film plan with me, so I'm doing right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and check that off. Send sign off documents after demo call. Okay, we have to schedule the demo call, which is actually gonna happen next on the 11th. So I've been working on a website for one of my clients, and I have to schedule a demo call with her for the website, and we're just gonna go through like any last minute changes before I completely transfer the website to her. I'm gonna finalize meeting time for demo call, and it's supposed to happen on the 11th, but my client is currently away. I'm gonna just send an email on Monday, or I guess on Tuesday, because it's Easter again. Okay, so I'll send it on Tuesday so that I can figure out exactly what time we're meeting on the 11th. I need to follow up with someone to sign a contract. I need to pay up an invoice by the 15th. I need to send my financials to the accountant, and I want to do that by Monday. That's also Easter. I'm gonna send it on Monday because it's gonna be, I just want to send it as soon as possible. Actually, before I do that, I need to finish documenting my expenses, and I'm gonna finish that by Monday. Actually, finish that by Tuesday. I mean Sunday. I'm doing it tomorrow. We're gonna finish documenting the expenses tomorrow. I have a lot to do tomorrow. I'm also gonna put personal. I want to get my hair done on Sunday, so I need to follow up with the person so I can see if I can actually get my hair done on Sunday. I also need to follow up on some overdue invoices, and I'm gonna do that by next Wednesday. I have my social media management onboarding questionnaire here. I need to move that somewhere else that's a little bit more organized, probably up here where I keep track of my clients and projects and stuff. So I think I'm going to be open to accepting new clients soon. In the life update, we'll talk a little bit more about my plan with clients and the social media work and my work moving forward. I think this was a pretty good planning session. I feel a little bit more put together and ready for the month. Thank you guys for keeping me accountable. March was a crazy month. It forced me to get myself back together, you know, dealing with taxes and all that stuff. But I'm happy that it happened because it needed to happen. And now we feel a little bit more ready to actually accomplish some goals for the rest of the year. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions for me, any comments, leave them down below. And I will see you guys in my next video.